Have you ever imagined yourself staring above a night sky, dancing in technicolor? This is the Northern Lights. And watching it is probably in every astronomer lover's bucket list. In 1619, Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei gave the Northern Lights its name aurora borealis, which in Latin means the dawn of the north. Northern Lights are beautiful dancing waves of light that have captivated people for millennia. But aren't you curious why and how this phenomenal sighting happens? Well, you see, Earth's core is divided into two parts, the solid inner core and the liquid outer core. The flowing of liquid metal on the outer core generates electric currents. Earth's rotation on its axis causes these electric currents to form a magnetic field. We call this the magnetosphere. The magnetosphere acts as a protective shield around the Earth against harmful cosmic rays such as the solar wind. But what is this solar wind? The outermost atmosphere of the Sun is called corona and is super hot, about 1,000,000 degrees Celsius. The intense heat causes the Sun's hydrogen and helium atoms to vibrate, triggering the protons and electrons to be released from the Sun as plasma, an electrically charged gas. The outward expansion of plasma is called the solar wind. Now these harmful solar winds travel through space and eventually reach Earth. Thanks to Earth's protective magnetosphere, 98% of solar wind are deflected and can't enter our atmosphere. However, the remaining fraction of solar wind manages to get through where the weak areas in our magnetosphere are, and these are located at the North Pole and the South Pole. When the electrons of solar wind collide with oxygen and nitrogen atoms in our atmosphere, they get excited and transfer energy in the form of photons. What are photons, you may ask? Photons are particles of light and their wavelengths determine the colors we see in the night sky. Yellow and green light are from the electrons and oxygen atoms being excited, and purple, blue and red are from nitrogen. These photons helps gives rise to the northern lights in the northern hemisphere. There are also southern lights or aurora australis in the southern hemisphere. Wow! Now you know how these breathtaking lights happen. And no, it's not because of magic, it's because of science.